Hi everybody, this is a video just letting you know that I'm still working on Foxbat. Haven't posted about this in a long time, but Blaster is still having progress made. I've been waiting to do a bunch of stuff until after I'm done with Alchemist designing, because Alchemist is a more in-demand Blaster design, but that is going pretty well, so I'm going to have some free time to work on Foxbat pretty soon. As you can see here, I have this weird bent arm thing that you can put a pump grip on and kind of pump grip it from the side. It's got a T-pull, it's got a top prime, it's mag and grip. Yeah, if you want more information on Foxbat, I have some previous videos on it that you can go and take a look at, but this is Foxbat, and progress is being made, even if it's slow. So yeah, Foxbat is getting worked on. Yeah, expect some betas probably sometime in the next few months. As Alchemist finishes up, I'm going to have a lot more free time, and this is going to be the next project that I work on, most likely. Yep. That's all I got to say. Bye-bye.